Okay, so here's the video that I promised a lot of people. There was quite a few inquiries and messages about what is this journey all about, Maritza, that you are sharing with us, and what is this program about? And to get to the answer, I want to ask a question, just a quick one. If you could choose, what would you choose? To work hard reselling someone else's products, enriching them, and making 10-15% commission, or to work smart and not hard by buying a ready-made digital program and selling it as your own, worldwide, online, 24/7, making 100% profit. That is what I'm doing now. And it just made sense to me to upskill myself and buy this program that teaches me how to sell my digital products online, worldwide, 24/7. I decided to start my own online business. One of the reasons, because reselling products are disappearing fast. Tupperware is now available on the shelves at Checkers, and Avon Justine is available at Takealot. Everything is moving online, and I'm glad I realized that. And I'm thankful that I found this program, which has taught me amazing digital skills, and I don't think I'll ever look back. Numerous other companies are taking moms out there's bread and milk money and putting it in their own pocket. With this program, you will learn how to build your own online business, how to automate it so it's working for you online, worldwide, 24/7. Work less because you are working smarter. You will learn how to market your business worldwide, how to sell ready-made, proven digital products which are in high demand, and learn how to create your own digital products, whether it's courses, e-learning programs, calendars, notebooks, mugs, t-shirts, you name it, and how to add them to your products and sell them worldwide, 24/7 as well. This is not an MLM. There's no one above you, there's no one beneath you. You choose which program you want to buy. You buy it once and you get full resale rights to resell it. The program is not a course that you go and buy and it doesn't get updated. If you don't get to it, no one's worried. There's no online coaching for you. There's no mentoring. This is a program, and this is a program for life. This is a community for life. We are rated the #1 community in the school app. This is an app that's used worldwide. When you purchase your program, it's yours. So every $100, $300, $600, $900 sale that you get from somewhere in the world gets paid into your PayPal immediately. There's no waiting for your money. This is your online business. There's no drop shipping. There's no inventory, because everything is online. It's digital. To give you an example, we've got a couple of clients who already have businesses of their own, but they have no clue how to market and advertise it on social media. They have no clue whatsoever how to automate it so their businesses are actually working for them 24/7. There are so many opportunities with this program that it's endless. Tomorrow, I will give you a tour of, I told you I'm going to share my journey with you, and if I don't share it with you, I will not help change lives out there, because this program is changing lives all over the globe. Last thing, the difference between this program and a course that you buy from Udemy, for example, this program is always updated. If something changes in the digital world with regards to algorithm, whatever the case might be, you immediately get an update. This course is for life. Daily updates, we get weekly coaching and mentoring, we get one-to-one Zoom calls, we have webinars. If you want to learn more, you are welcome to comment or DM me, and I would love to send you more information, or you can visit www.skillupandearndaily.com.